why is it? Why does it matter that we should understand Hamas? And what is the main point that you might make? I mean, there's many points we'll discuss, but the key thing to understand about Hamas, in your view, based on your studies, is what exactly? And then we'll get into the issue of critical terrorism studies, a field that you helped co-establish, and how that relates to Hamas. But go ahead.
I think just starting with this question of why does it matter that we understand Hamas, I would start by saying that it matters because deliberate mis- and disinformation has been used to justify Israel's genocidal war on Gaza and its stated goal of eradicating Hamas at all costs. So if you just buy that uncritically, you're supporting the whole narrative that supports this extraordinary assault on Gaza and Gazan lives. It also, I think it matters why this information sticks so easily. And I think particularly, I mean, people globally, but particularly people in the global north or in the west, know very little about Hamas, or indeed the details of what it's like to live under occupation for 57 years, which is only 6 months less than I'm old, and under an international blockade for 17 years. And for example, claims like the one that the Qassam fighters, the military wing of Hamas, had beheaded 40 babies were central to Israel's strategy of depicting Hamas, and by extension Gazans who had voted for Hamas, as subhuman and therefore not worthy of human rights. But I think the fact that these claims were accepted so readily and uncritically in Western media also show that Orientalist and Islamophobic prejudices, as well as anti-Arab sort of racism, are still very much alive and present. And so I think that's one of the reasons why this matters.